is me here to tell you, 2021 me, that was unacceptable and disgraceful, and we've changed our ways. So welcome to my eyebrow tutorial. Hello, this is Marilicious and welcome to my channel. As you have seen, I've been through a lot with my eyebrows. They've been through the trenches. And when it comes to my brows in grade 10, I was a train wreck. But grade 10 was also a really terrible year, so move. But anyways, after all these years, I finally mastered the art of eyebrow doing, so who am I not to share my knowledge? So with all of that being said, let us begin. This is Dollar Store Mirror. And she's really cute. She's helped me through a lot. No, she hasn't. But anyways, these are the tools that I'm going to be using. I have this concealer brush, which I don't know if it's actually a concealer brush, but I got it from Winners. This disgusting spoolie. Everybody's got a nasty spoolie, so I'm not even gonna. I use styling soap. I got this from Amazon and I got like a pack of 2 for $7. I wouldn't recommend getting this one specifically because the quality is pretty bad and it dries up really quickly, which I don't like. I got this eyebrow brush from MAC, I believe, and it's honestly, it's not very good anymore and I need to get a new one, but that's not on my priority list right now. I just need to get around. So I'm using this until I can't use it anymore. Now, the exciting part, our makeup. We have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, which I love so much. This is a Glossier Stretch Concealer. It's super good. I love Glossier. It's so affordable, and the fact that it's like all vegan, I'm like, something's not right, because why is y'all so cheap? But y'all got some good products. I'm going to use it for the eyebrow soap. The eyebrow soap is actually used to just keep my eyebrows in shape. I used to use gel, but the gel, like gel, would peel, and I'm not trying to have no flaky eyebrows. So yeah, take this. I spray the brush. That was even a lot. Not me getting it on the phone. Oh my god. Anyways, so then you just scrub. You scrub. So yeah, my eyebrows are very thin. It was something I used to be super insecure about. I'm kind of good now. Like, what can you do? But so now that we have this kind of foxy eyebrow shape, honestly, like if I was brave, I would leave it like this, but I like to make my eyebrows a little bit darker. So this is crucial, going with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I don't take a lot. It's so messy in here, but like I just take a little bit. Because like, honestly, because with this pomade, like a little goes a long way. Yeah, you're just going to go in. Just the crevices and just darken it a little bit. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm staying away from the front for now because one thing that a lot of people are still doing, it's beyond me how people are still doing it. Like, they are putting product like hardcore right at the front of their brow. That is a sin. Did we ask for boxy eyebrows? No, we did not. We never asked for that. It's not flattering. I mean, if it suits you, it suits you. Or if that's the aesthetic you're going for, then go for it. But if it's not, girl, stop. But I do like to just do a little bit because I like to extend my eyebrows, but even that is like too dark. I hate saying too dark. It like triggers my fight or flight. Dark skin girls know what's up, period. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So this is as far as I'll really go with it, because the concealer will help me fix it in the long run. So yeah, this looks really good. I'm just gonna keep doing the tail. Wow, would you look at that? That's really nice, honestly. I like my eyebrows with a little bit more shape, so that is why I'm going to go in with the concealer next. Everybody's best friend, LA Girl Pro Conceal. You already know. You already know. I mixed this in with my Glossier because I got this on Amazon and it was too light for me. So now I'm just gonna go in with the concealer. And be very gentle, you don't need to pick up a lot. And just get under the eye. Do not touch your eyebrow hairs. I used to, in grade 9, I used to like start my eyebrows here just so that they could appear to be higher because I thought I looked grouchy. Yeah, just leave your eyebrow hairs alone. And I know like people blend it out with like beauty blenders, but I use my finger because I don't care that much. Eyebrows are an everyday thing for me, so I need to be able to do them quickly without like all these other tools that are going to hinder the process. So just blend it out. So now I'm gonna go in with the top. I'm kind of feeling the pressure of like doing this well. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Now I like to be very careful and precise. So I'm just going to blend that out already just to really, you know, be chill with it. Know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to blend her out. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And then obviously we're gonna do the tail. However, I think I want to do a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add like a bit more product. Yep. Yeah, that was good. That was good. Y'all gonna sit here and tell me it wasn't fire. Just that feeling, like I lacked that when I didn't do my top of my brows. But girl, look at that arch. Oh, please. So I like to go under and just create more of a visible arch. And my favorite thing about this is like the eyebrow style that I do is not harsh. So nothing that you're doing is gonna look harsh. And I do use a lighter, ooh, what I do? I do use a lighter concealer just because I like that highlighted aspect that it gives. I'm also doing this extra slow, just so that you guys can get the idea. But yeah, that is how you get a perfect brow. But yeah, that is how you do your eyebrows. Can we just take some time to really, can y'all see that good? Like, wow. Wow. Like I say, I have like a lot of years worth of experience doing this. I started doing my brows in grade 8. That's just when I started wearing makeup in general. I remember my dad found out I was like starting to wear makeup. I was like, focus on your studies. I was like, ciao. Anyways, doing the front. Cute. Cute. You know African dads. Focus on your studies, focus on your studies. Every day focus on my studies. Like, it's a weekend. It's a weekend. It's winter break. It's summer break. How am I supposed to focus on studies that are not there? Don't make no sense. And I'm gonna go with the concealer again. So we're gonna do this one much faster. And yeah, in this mirror, in my trusty mirror that is not dusty. I was gonna say trusty dusty, but ain't nothing dusty about her. I don't know what I'm on. Now the left side of my face, OG side, but because of me like sleeping so poorly, the right side of my face became a little bit asymmetrical. And I'm not gonna lie, it's become a bit of an insecurity. But I also learned that people see you how you, like, they don't consider your face asymmetrical, so they basically see you how you see yourself, because nobody notices like the asymmetricalness. I'm sorry, that was a really not in-depth explanation, but I don't got the time, okay? We've got places to be, and by places to be, I mean universities 101, because I have to apply to schools. Fun fact about me, born in 03, and I was supposed to go to university this year, but there was a change of plans, apparently. The change of plan was completely out of my control, and I found out 4 days before I was supposed to move in, and I couldn't go. And I think it was fate. I'm pretty sure it was fate. I genuinely think that was God being like, girl, not this year. You have so much that you want to do in this life before uni. And like, honestly, I don't even know what I would have been doing. Like, there was nothing that I wanted from university. Like, I'm still kind of struggling to find something that I want to do for the rest of my life. And like, I already know, like, you know, there's gonna be more for me than just school. But I know that like the life that I aspire to have does not require post-secondary education. Like, I'll be fine with or without it, essentially. And I'm glad that I have that confidence. But it's like not even confidence, it's like it's just a fact. So I don't know, I'm kind of worried because it's like I keep saying like I want to take another year off, but nobody wants to listen to me. It's like, okay, well, let's just apply for now. Like, girl, ugh. So yeah, these are the eyebrows. They're super cute. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do a full face anymore, just because this is kind of long enough. This is 15 minutes, and I kind of want to start editing it right now. So yeah, I'll show you guys some pictures like of me with my brows and what they look like out and stuff, snap, all of that, and you can really just see if they're the brows for you. Anyways, my eyebrow looks so good. It looks so good. I personally noticed that I like long eyebrows on me. I think they look better on my face, my facial structure. I don't like short, stubby brows. They're not for me. But yeah, these really did the damn thing, period. Let's do a pose. Thumbnail, ow. There's my brow tutorial. I'll link all the products that I used in the description. Not me doing extra work, just because I love the people who are watching this video so much, And I'm genuinely gonna manifest that this video does get a lot of views because I would really like to share my skills and I would like to be noticed on the app that is YouTube. Yeah, I'm definitely not going all out today with the makeup because it's just too much to take off and I can't focus when I have like a full face of makeup on because I'm just like, look at me, I'm so pretty. And all I want to do is take videos of myself. I don't want to apply the universities. So it distracts me a lot. And I have like class right now. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. And I hope that you liked it. And if you did, if you liked it, if you liked me, if you like my personality, then let's be friends and subscribe. Subscribe to me, we can talk. And please let me know what you'd like next from me. And I'm going through a lot right now. But anyways, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And come again, period.